to share about past continuous. Okay, what are the using of past continuous, and also what kinds of effort of time are used in the past continuous? Okay, the first that about effort of time are used in the past continuous tense. There are yesterday, last week, last year, last night, this morning, 1 year ago. Okay, next, the using of past continuous. Okay, the first is progressing until period. For example, she was reading a book all day. The second is progressing while a moment. For example, at 9 a.m. she was writing a letter. Okay, and the third, the using of the past continuous for the sentence that's explained the moment happening in the past before other activity happened. We use when or while. Okay, for example, for the positive, Anwar was reading a book when Danny came. Okay, and the other example, Anwar was reading a book while Danny was coming. Okay, and then the other example, for the negative example, Susie was not cooking rice when Budi drove a car yesterday. And for the third formulations in interogative, for example, was Anwar reading a book while Danny was coming to home yesterday? Okay, and the other example, using when in interrogative formulation, was Anwar reading a book when Danny came to home yesterday? Okay. And the fourth formulation, using WH question, use while in a past continuous tense. Okay, for example, why was Anwar reading a book while Danny was coming home yesterday? Okay, and the other example, using when, why was Anwar reading a book when Danny came home yesterday? Okay, using the other example, when we use the subject you, they, we use were. For the past continuous, we use were. For example, like, they were studying English while Anwar was coming home yesterday. Okay, I think that's from this explanation and also some sentences as the example. I hope that you can understand and then you can discuss together with me. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you can understand. Thank you very much. Bye.